Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie, and today I will be doing another unboxing video. Today's unboxing is on Hermes. So I'm not actually unboxing this specific box since there are teacups in here. I have done another unboxing with my houseware on plates and teacups and cups in another unboxing, so go check that out. This will be like a true unboxing since it came in a FedEx box. I had these items shipped from the store from my SA, and the items in this package consist of a charm for my purse and some makeup brushes. Now let's open the box and take a look on what's inside. So let's begin with the makeup brushes. I think they only carry 4 brushes, like 2 blush brushes. One is travel size. Which one is this one? An angle brush. And an powder application brush. See, the brushes come with their own little orange box. And a little dust bag. How cute is that? So this is the travel brush. It's pretty soft. I have softer brushes, but it's soft. It says Hermes on the bottom. And I didn't put blush on or contour on my face. All I have is foundation, lipstick, and eyelashes because I actually wanted to try the blush brushes in this video with you guys. And this one is called Lash. I'm not even gonna pronounce that because I know I'm not gonna pronounce it right. The next brush we will do is the powder application brush. And this is how the packaging looks. No, it's not focusing. Again, little orange box. Ta-da! So these brushes are super expensive, but they're cute. I want to trade in or throw out or do something with my old brushes. Most of the brushes I currently have to apply my makeup are like 10 years old. They're really old. I'm gonna be switching out all my makeup brushes, so I'll be doing an unboxing every time I get new brushes. I'm not gonna get a million brushes. I'm gonna get what is necessary for my collection that I currently have and replace those with newer ones. The next brush we'll be unboxing will be the full length blush brush. This is it. This packaging doesn't have anything in the back as opposed to the face one. And this one did not come in a box. Also, this one has a darker shade of pink as opposed to the other one, which was like a blush color. And I will be using this one with the travel one to apply the blush. One on one cheek, the other one on the other cheek. and I'll let you guys know what I think about the application. Again, it is soft. I do have softer brushes. I'm not sure if this is made with natural hairs. I would have to find out. And the next and final brush is the powder blush. And again, these brushes do not come with the orange box. I don't know why. And this one is a different color, which I was unaware. I thought they all were pink. Keep in mind that these brushes are super expensive. I'm pretty sure you could find better quality brushes for a more affordable price. So these are it. Remember guys, whenever you're washing your brushes, you do not want to get this part wet because your brush will fall apart. When you're cleaning it, just the tip, the brush part. Do not submerge them in water. Doesn't matter the price. Could be a $1 brush, could be a $100 brush. You do not want to do that because that will ruin your brush. So now let's test the blush brushes out. I am going to use my Voyageur, I think that's how you pronounce it, palette. And I'm going to use, of course, the same color for both cheeks, just the different brushes. I'm going to use the full-size blush brush and the travel size one. You could also use this, it's an angle brush also, so you could use it also for contouring or to apply any other powder, I'm assuming. And I will use, let's do this color, and this is 2 taps and how much blush it picked up. And the application is pretty good. No, I feel like I look like a clown. And this is the brush after the application. So it picks up the powder pretty well, and it does blend in pretty well as well. So do I recommend it? Yes. Can you get another blush brush for a more affordable price that does the same thing? Yes, and maybe even better. And now for the travel size. 2 taps. This is how much product it picked up. I honestly like the application on this one better, but it just picks up too much product. Maybe next time I just tap it once. But again, it's a great application. It's smooth, but too much product, way too much. This is one cheek, and then this is the other. Try to blend it out more so I don't look like a clown. Okay, this is as much as it's gonna go, but this is, do you see that? It still has like product on it, as opposed to this one. Do I recommend? Yes, if you like the aesthetics and the looks of this brush, which I do, and that's why I purchased. And it is a soft brush. They are soft. But I have softer brushes in my collection currently. Get it. But it's overpriced. And like I said, you can find better brushes from any other brand at a more affordable pricing. So at the end of the day, that'll be your decision to make. Do I recommend them? Again, if you like the aesthetics, go for it. If not, there are other brands out there that sell better quality brushes. So moving on. So before I unbox this charm, I have to take a breather. I was at the store making a special order, and every time I go into the store, I always ask for a rodeo, which is a little horse looking charm, or a Pegasus, which is the one with the wings. Honestly, every time I go and I ask for one, they never have, ever. I feel like these charms are harder to get than the bag itself. And when I mean bag, I mean like a Constance, a Kelly, or a Birkin. So then I'm at the cash register and he brings out this cute little charm, which I'm about to show you guys. And he brings it up and my total goes up tremendously. Like, it went from like $4,000 to almost $10,000. And I'm like, how much was that charm? He's like, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, it's $4,000. I usually don't ask for prices. I was there to purchase my teacups and another hang. And honestly, when I go to the Hermes store, I already know that I'm spending no less than 5 to 10K. In most occasions, is usually more than $10,000. So I immediately told him, I'm sorry. I almost had a heart attack. I told him to take it off. But as I'm driving home, I'm like, I couldn't stop thinking about the charm. And I had told him that I will purchase the brushes when I get home. So I was in the car texting him on my way home, and I told him, you know what, include the charm. Like, I'll take it, whatever, if it's still available. And luckily, it still was. Receipts. And so you guys don't think I'm crazy, which I think I am. I have to laugh because I really cannot justify this purchase. This is how much that charm was, guys. That doesn't include the tax. But whatever, moving on. Time to unbox this little creature. It's always nicely packed, bow, presentation, beautiful. So like most bags, because honestly, for that price, this is considered a bag. It's useless, but it's considered some type of bag. Booklet. Dust bag. And now for the charm itself. Oh my god. Stuck. It's like a little coin purse. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? This little thing is super expensive, but it is the cutest thing for my Kelly. It's like a mini Kelly for my Kelly, and that's specifically why I bought it, because I've been asking him for a rodeo in gold, which is this brown color, since I got my Kelly, which was like 2-3 years ago. And then again, every time I ask him for one, they're always out of stock. I have only got one rodeo charm for my bag since getting bags. And it opens. So you could use this as a pill purse or a coin purse. And you don't only have to attach it to your handbag. You could also fit, if you crumble up money, you could fit money in there. Also says Hermes there. And this is what I'm saying, it's like a bag itself because it opens, it has a stamping, it hugs people. It could hug your finger, make you feel better about spending so much money. And this is more expensive than the Picotin bag. That's the bag I went to purchase the day I went and saw this. But how cute is this? Like, I actually saw one of the influencers put this on her belt instead of the bag, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. Is it a splurge of the moment purchase? Yes. No and yes, because obviously I told you I was at the register and I was like, my heart started hurting. I was in shock. The price jumped so much over this. But then again, I had buyer's regret. Is it buyer's regret, or I just regretted as soon as I stepped into my car and I'm like, I think I should buy this. And I seen this on the resale market for double the price. And that's another reason I bought it, although I probably won't sell it. But I am considering this specific purchase as an investment. Anyways, with that being said, I feel like I spent mostly my summer wardrobe. I don't want to call it an allowance, but I give myself an allowance or a spending budget for each season, especially this year, since at the end of last year I made a really big purchase, which ate up what I consider my shopping budget for the year. This little guy has contributed to me not shopping for the next couple of months for myself. But as always, I am accepting gifts from my husband, or gifts in general. I mean, Mother's Day is around the corner, right? I mean, so is Father's Day, but Mother's Day comes first. So I'm gonna make a specific wish list with just outfits that I want for the summer and give it to him, and he could figure it out for Mother's Day what he wants to get me. Or he might surprise me with something else, who knows. Anyway, I always have the option of just making more money, working harder, and which I don't believe in hard work. Let me phrase that, I don't believe in hard work for you to make a lot of money. You don't need to overextend yourself and burn out to make money. That's what I mean. Anyways, to up my budget, but I've been trying to save money. So if I were to just make more money somehow, because I am not gonna overwork myself at my current job, that money will go towards savings or something that would make me money instead of these material purchases that I love. So my mantra for this year is balance. That's with shopping and savings. And I'm not just saving to save, like I want to actually do something with the money that I am saving. I don't just want it to sit in a bank account. All this rambling will be for another video. I think it will be a great topic to cover. Anyways, that was my sweet and short unboxing on my Hermes makeup brushes and purse accessories. Please don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.